the aftermath. There's still balloons, and so I need to make a leg cramp busting smoothie right now because last night I had the wildest leg cramp that would just knock that up, and it still hurts. So I'm going to do my darndest and flip you around. This is what we got for lunch. So we got some OJ, got some collagen peptides. Sorry, good morning. Liquid chlorophyll, mango chunks, banana, turmeric. This is just so for also recovery, and this is a superfood powder. Beet powder, because I don't have beet greens, because everyone says that's really great for cramps, but I have the powder, so I'm gonna try it. And then obviously our oat milk and stuff will be our base, so hopefully this tastes good.
Alright, let's go ahead and get into it. Here I am starting off with my banana. I'm just using a spoon to kind of break it up. You can use a knife, you can use your hands, you can just throw half and half in there, whatever you want, honestly, whatever floats your boat. It's all going to get blended in the blender anyway. After that, I go in with the frozen mango chunks. Those are from Publix. We just got the Publix brand ones. I put in a little bit of the golden milk turmeric from Clari.teas. Next is the liquid, so I have my oat milk already in there. We like the Planet Oat one, and then this is our OJ, just a splash of that in there for a little extra boost and a little acidity to cut all the fluff that we've got going on there. That is a Super Me blend. There we go. That's the actual putting in of the golden milk, and then some chlorophyll, just for the ish and the giggles, because I think it might be helpful. So you're supposed to put 15 drops, and I cannot get the dropper to work. As you can see, I am actually struggling for my life to get 15 drops in there. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take my beet powder, and I'm going to use I'm using this little loose leaf tea thing as a little strainer for this, because when there's clumps it can taste like you're biting into a actual bit of the beet, and that's not the way we want it in our smoothie naturally. So I go ahead and I take about 2 teaspoons and go ahead and sift that through to make sure there are no lumps, so it's just a nice fine powder to mix in with all the liquids. After that, I'm going to take my vital proteins, collagen peptides. I'm putting the full amount. Normally, I only just put a half, which is 1 scoop, but I also was going to have my own smoothie from this mix, so I was like, you know what, might as well. I needed a little more water. It was looking a little dry and crispy up there, and I wanted it to blend nice and smooth, so I go ahead and put everything in there, struggle to understand the top, and then we're all done. And that's basically it. Now that we've blended it all together, it's alright. It's time to struggle some more, I guess. And we are going to pour that into our glasses. One is for me, one is for the boy. So this is going to help with the cramps, and this is also going to help with some kind of stomach balancing as well. So I'm really excited. This is something that we're going to put into the rotation, that we're going to have to put in the rotation actually, and once I even that all out, we'll be all done and we'll be ready to enjoy. I have my little cute metal straw too somewhere. I don't even know where the heck that is. It's off camera. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.